Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel AI and Automation Tools for Everyday Use. On this channel, I explore practical ways to use artificial intelligence, automation tools, and emerging technologies to build useful systems that anyone can experiment with. Today I want to show you something really exciting. I recently started experimenting with building a robot simulation that can eventually be controlled by an AI reasoning system called HRM. In this video, I'll show you how I created my very first working robot simulation step by step. Now, to be clear, this is not a physical robot yet. What I built is a simulation environment where a robot can exist, move, and interact with the world. This is how most modern robotics research begins. The first thing I needed was a physics simulation engine. For that, I used a tool called PyBullet. PyBullet allows us to simulate gravity, objects, and robot movement in a realistic environment. Once PyBullet was installed, I created a simple Python program to launch the simulation. In just a few lines of code, the simulator opens a 3D window and creates a basic world. Inside that world, I added a ground plane and then loaded a small robot model. When I ran the program, something amazing happened. The simulation window opened, the robot appeared in the scene, and gravity immediately pulled it down onto the floor. At that moment, I knew the system was working. This might seem simple, but it's actually the foundation of robotics development. Before building real hardware, engineers almost always test their ideas inside a simulator. Once the basic robot simulation worked, I moved to the next step, controlling a robot arm. Using another robot model inside PyBullet, I was able to program one of the joints to move automatically. With just a few commands, the robotic arm started moving inside the simulator. That means the software is now controlling a robot. This is where things become really interesting. My goal is to connect this robot environment to an AI reasoning system called HRM. Instead of simply following programmed instructions, the robot could eventually analyze situations, make decisions, and perform tasks autonomously. Imagine a robot that can see objects, reason about them, and decide what action to take next. That is the direction I'm exploring. In the next stages of this project, I will teach the robot how to interact with objects, like picking up a cube or moving items around the environment. Later on, I plan to connect the robot simulation to vision systems and AI models so the robot can actually understand what it is seeing. This project is just getting started, but the foundation is now in place. If you enjoy learning about artificial intelligence, automation, and building innovative tools, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you have ideas, suggestions, or questions about this project, please leave a comment below. I would really enjoy hearing your thoughts and your ideas for future experiments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.